That's good. North Carolina barbecue right there. I like to put a little hot sauce on it. And then you got your chicken, good fried chicken. This is a heavy carb lunch. And you got your mac and cheese and your potato salad. And then you top it all off with some sweet tea. And then your banana pudding with real Nilla wafers in it. That's the trick, is the real Nilla wafers. If you skip on your Nilla wafers, it's no good. Here we go for Aaron.
Oh, no way.
You name on it and everything.
That way we can keep track. That way we can keep track of.
They won't be like, hey, that's my jacket.
Yeah.
Who's coming in?
Now help me out here. Who we got? Gustavo?
Yeah.
Gustavo. Right.
Yeah, you gotta make them do like a split or something first.
Benny?
They gotta do like a cheerleading little. Yeah.
You like? We didn't skip out on you, just read up, you guys.
We made you a real company man, Jesse.
Try it on. I want to see it on you. He did that for you because he knew you'd wear your hoodie underneath it.
Yeah.
He got you a bigger one. He said Jesse will wear it.
Yeah, he'll need it. Yeah, he saw me wearing that medium one. It was like barely zipping it out. He said,
oh, yay! Yeah, that's not really good. Oh, everybody looks good.
Hector! Yes, thank you.
put it on. Pump it up.
Alejo.
So you got everybody?
Yeah. So we'll get there.
Yay!
All right, line up.